Okay, so today we're going to do a departure from the Greenville Downtown, a Class Delta, because the last time I was here I forgot to record the departure. So, you know, give that a try. So we're going to listen to some weather.
Expect the visual approach. VFR departures, advise direction of flight. VFR departures requesting flight following. Say destination, altitude, en route. Notice the airman taxiway Bravo is closed between runway 1028 and taxiway Bravo 3. Taxiway Golf is closed between taxiway Bravo 3 and runway 119er. Taxiway Charlie 4 are closed. Read back all hold short instructions. Advise on in this contact you have information Oscar.
Still Oscar, like when we landed.
Greenville Tower information Oscar, time 1953 Zulu, wind 130 at 8, visibility of 10, sky conditions clear, temperature 18, dew point -2, altimeter 3031. Landing departed runway 19er, expect a visual approach, VFR departures, advise direction of flight, VFR departures requesting flight following, say destination, altitude, en route. Notice the airman taxiway Bravo is closed between runway 1028 and taxiway Bravo 3.
799 Tower, check your transponder on, please. 5257 is the code.
5257 for 617 909er.
There you go, it just tagged up. Go ahead and contact Greer on 118.8. Have a good flight.
118.8, 617 909er.
So today I'm at the south ramp, so there's slightly more complicated taxi instructions coming probably, because we are departing runway 19 today it looks like. We can check the ground frequency, but I don't think they're using it today. Well, let's do it properly. So first you would contact ground, and again, tell them where you are, who you are, what you want, and where you want to go, so they can send you to the proper runway. We are doing a southwest departure VFR. Not very busy here today, so let's give them a call. Greenville Tower, Cherokee 723 Papa Mike at the south ramp, ready for taxi for VFR departure to the southwest.
723 Papa Mike, contact ground 12125.
12125, thank you. Oh, should have been ground. Greenville ground, Cherokee 723 Papa Mike at the south ramp, ready for taxi for the VFR departure to the southwest.
Cherokee 723 Papa Mike, Greenville ground taxi to runway 19er via Golf, turn left on Alpha, cross 1028.
Taxi to 19 via Golf, left on Alpha, cross 1028.
Greenville ground 80277 southeast ramp, ready to taxi with Oscar, and we're just going to make one loop around the pattern and land after that.
Cessna 80277, you can cross runway 119er at Bravo 1 to Alpha 3, left on Alpha, hold short of 102.
Okay, crossing 119 at Bravo 1 to Alpha 3 and right on Alpha and hold short of 1028. 277.
Cherokee 723 Papa Mike, looks like you're wandering around there, so just hold short of taxiway Alpha at Alpha 3.
Hold short of taxiway Alpha at Alpha 3, 723 Papa Mike.
You see the Cessna off your right there coming across the runway?
I do.
Go ahead and follow in behind him for runway 19.
Copy that.
Cessna 80277, you can cross 1028 down to runway 19.
Okay, crossing 1028, 277.
Cherokee 723 Papa Mike, and follow the Cessna to cross 1028 down to runway 19er.
Following the Cessna across 1028, 723 Papa Mike. Well, I was heading to golf, but I guess he thought I looked a little lost, so changed it. But that's okay. Definitely said golf and left at Alpha. Golf would have been over there. But that's how it goes. That's why you have to pay attention. So here we are, crossing 1028, which we've already got permission to do. You definitely want to have that because entering a runway without permission is a pretty big deal. They're going to probably give you a phone number if you do that. So here we are at the end of runway 19 at Alpha 8. So we'll switch to tower and let him know we are holding short. Greenville Tower, Cherokee 723 Papa Mike is holding short, runway 19 at Alpha 8, ready for departure.
Number 723 Papa Mike Tower, runway 19er, depart with a right turn, clear for takeoff.
Depart with a right turn at runway 19, clear for takeoff, 723 Papa Mike. They're trying to get us out of the Greer class Charlie as quickly as possible. We'll also stay below 3,000 feet because of that, but that's not a problem at all.
Another ratio 277 Tower, runway 19er, clear to land.
Clear to land. I'll be making a right turn to the runway cafe after this.
Roger.
Full power, airspeed is alive, RPMs look good.
That's not a bug that just hit the windshield, is it?
Well, we're getting close to the season being over for bugs, hopefully.
Sorry.
Oh, wait till we're at 2,400 feet and then make our right turn out. There's the altitude.
November 723 Papa Mike Tower, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles, opposite direction, 3,100.
Looking for traffic, 723 Papa Mike. Traffic in sight, 723 Papa Mike.
Okay, and he's turning to the south now. Radio 277 Tower, Fable, right at Alpha 3, taxi to the ramp, have a good day.
Okay, Alpha 3 to the ramp, 277, thanks.
Oh, there we go. Departure's even easier than coming in. Well, they're both pretty easy. Of course, as soon as they think you're not following some instruction, they might change it. I think they get a little nervous if you're weaving around on the ground there. And we are clear of the Delta, so you don't really have to ask for a frequency change. I mean, he knows we're not in his area anymore. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to COM 1 and start listening to Clemson traffic.